G'day there, welcome back to Alanvale. Just wanted to quickly talk about window flashing. In Australia we don't put any boards on the surface except for the corners where we're bracing the building, and so we end up, the sarking goes straight onto the studs and we tack that on, and that's a material that allows a little bit of moisture through, but it doesn't let the water to run in. So your sarking goes on. You cut your sarking and wrap it around the window space, and I put some gaffer tape on to hold it in place while it was there until the window went in. And then you must add your flashing, which is a stick-on product, and the stuff I used, it came in a roll. It was pretty much the same material as the sarking, but it was heavier, and you have to tape that in place so the bottom piece goes up underneath the bottom of the window, and the side pieces then overlap, so any water running down goes off, and they're about that wide, and just tape them on with gaffer tape. I noticed the ones in America is the stick-on product. I think that might be actually better, and of course the top one goes on last. Now we don't have to worry about flashing out the top of the window because there's a gutter there, and you're feeding the water onto the sarking at the sides, so that looks after itself. And in this case where it's under veranda, it would never get wet anyway, but I still did it. So make sure you put your flashing in, window goes in, sarking, cut your hole, put your window in, screw it in properly, and put your flashing over the top and make sure any gaps and things are closed off. And then your weatherboard goes on, and as you can see they've also tucked into that space as well. There was about a 20mm space there, 25mm, and it's a nice neat fit. So the 9mm weatherboard fits in perfectly. It allows for 20mm there. So I've got about, I can get my fingernail in there, that's about it. So that's how they look when they're done. On the end of the building, there's just a piece of timber on the end, and that acts as a stop for the weatherboards. So that's how the flashing goes in.